Jamen, jeg vil gerne lade mig lade spil.
Okay.
Ja.
Og så her.
By the way, jeg kan ikke se din livestream, der står den er sat på pause.
Mere skrab. Skrab.
Skrab.
Nå,
Og skrab.
det virker sgu ikke, Nathan.
Nå. Det er også fordi det er fra det der Steam rip. Ej. Der var lige nogle...
Jeg streamer by the way, bare lige så I ved det.
Okay.
What's up, Lil Khan Wave?
Den skulle fra Steam.
Lil Khan. Nice. It's a nice name.
Sådan der. Hold her.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yes, sir. Let me just check. What? Let me just check the stream. See if all the sounds are like they're supposed to be. Hello. Supposed to be. Hello. Okay.
Jeg vil gerne bede om en god solid bro den her gang. Værsgo.
Ja, du får en god solid bro.
Jeg vil gerne bede om en god solid bro.
Good. Okay. Alright. We need to create a new project.
Kan ikke blive bedre der.
Hold da kæft, den er skæv den der.
Kan ikke blive bedre.
So...
Vent 2 sekunder, vi skal lige sætte dig fast også. Vi skal lige sætte din numse fast, så den ikke lige pludselig siger...
Okay.
Den er fast. Ja.
Er vi klar?
Kører du bare.
Alright, it says I need to use this one.
Lige lidt til venstre.
Venstre?
Vent. Ja, nej, lige ud. Kør lige ud. Og så skal du lige dreje den lidt. Det er lige præcis, ja. Kør lidt længere lige ud. Drej den lidt. Kør lige ud. Kør. For fuck.
So we'll just continue with developer tools. I agree and install. Hopefully it won't take way too long.
Den kan reddes.
Okay. Det er dejligt. Vi skal hugges bag.
Ja.
What the hell? Okay, so... What should they...
Stille og roligt nu. Stille og roligt nu. Stille og roligt. Ja. Stille og roligt. Hug for satan der.
Nah, I don't know.
Rolig.
I don't know what the name game needs to be.
Ja, vi mistede en plank.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me check the sounds actually.
Ja.
Er det godt?
Ja, jamen den ligger nede i
I
vandet.
really want to get a boom
Ikke tænk på
up, so
den
let me
der.
check
Den
if
der,
I
den
had
klarer
a
vi os
boom
ud.
up right here, how would the sound be?
Okay, så skal vi gøre det på den her måde. Okay, så skal vi gøre det på den her måde.
Spørgsmålet er, hvorfor jeg vipper så meget.
Wait.
Det er fordi du sidder fast jo der.
Wait. Hello.
Så skal vi gøre det på den her måde.
Oh shit. Oh, wait a minute. Let me check the sounds actually. Hello. Oh, wait a minute. Let me check the sounds actually. Hello. Oh, that's great. This sounds great. But I need a boom arm. I can't just hold this shit with my left hand all day long. So if I have it this close, let me check the sound is actually great. Hello. Oh, that's great. This sounds great. But I need a boom arm. I can't just hold this shit with my left hand all day long. So if I have it this close, let me check the sound is actually great. Hello. Oh damn. I need a boom arm now, really much. I really need one now so I don't have to up the input of the microphone. Oh, that's great. This sounds great. But I need a boom arm. I need a boom arm now, really much. I really need one now so I don't have to up the... Okay, we good. It's still in progress, man. It's slow air, bruh. What the hell? What the hell, Yante? Nah, man, I can't do this in 2026. What the fuck?
Har du det? Ja, jeg kan godt vente min hooker. Det kan jeg godt. Foran. Skal hooke dig foran.
Double using the chat.
Så kommer jeg foran bilen, så jeg kan samle den op.
Damn, 2 viewers on Kick. There's a new record. Nah, I don't know. Yes.
Ja, jeg ved ikke, hvordan jeg kommer foran bilen, så jeg kan samle den der op.
We wanna install that shit, bruh.
Hvad siger du, jeg skal?
Ja?
Hvad skal jeg gøre?
Du skal ikke gøre så meget. Du skal ikke gøre så meget nu.
Alright.
Jeg skal skubbe dig. Jeg skal prøve at skubbe dig ind.
Det er i orden. Imens jeg bare gør noget.
Nej. Du skal ikke gøre noget som helst.
Hvad sker der her? Hvorfor skubber du indenfor?
Jeg skulle lige se, om det virker. Okay.
Hvad sker der? Hvad sker der?
Hallo?
Kommer ikke længere frem, gør du det?
What the fuck does my mic keep disconnecting? I need a new mic, bruh. What the fuck?
Nej, kommer ikke længere frem.
Den er jo helt krise, den her bil her.
Why does it take so long, bruh? What the fuck?
Ja, men. 2 sekunder.
The dark one looks better. Unity
Keine
platform protection. Download patch to protect your games and apps.
Det der ting, der ligger ovenpå, ikke også? Den der lille dims.
Alright.
Du har vi ikke længere. Ja, nej, ikke flip. Det skal ikke flippes.
What's up, Kevin Wu? Hi to you too. Oh, what are you eating?
Laver du?
Ikke så den kan få noget support.
Oh my goodness.
It's downloaded.
Der er noget support i det.
It's not. This is... I can't even see how far it is along, bruh. Come on now, dog.
Fedt svært det her.
What are you eating, Kevin?
Kom foran den. Og træk. Prøv at køre lidt livet nu. Du har lidt ja.
Hi, my name's Mark.
Alright. Yeah, I'm trying to make my own game.
Den anden vej.
So that's gonna be exciting.
Ja, lige præcis. Vent, hvor er min
For years,
because I have a really great idea, or I think it's a really great idea, and I want to try to make something from it.
Wanted to make my very own video games using software
but of
like
course this is my first game, so it probably won't
Unity is the powerful game engine behind titles like Cuphead, Neon White, Tunic, Outer Wilds, Hearthstone, Fire. Cuphead, Neon White, Tunic, Outer Wilds.
Outer Wilds type of map. That's what I need, bro. What?
Ja, der skete lidt nu. Du har kommet lidt bedre nu. Okay, er du klar? En gang til frem. Og så lad mig lige skubbe dig lidt. Og se.
That won't do it then.
Ja. Den anden vej. Ja, lige præcis. Den anden vej.
Kan ikke.
Hearthstone, Firewatch, and even the Pokemon Diamond remake. But I've always found that lengthy, multi-part, meandering tutorials just send me to sleep. I can't learn by watching someone else. I have to get hands-on and figure things out for myself. And so last year, I developed a solution that actually works. It's a 3-step technique where you, 1, just learn the absolute basics of Unity. Then 2, cement those lessons with simple exercises. And then 3, figure out the rest as you go along. And it totally worked. In the space of about a year, I went from ripping off iPhone games to working on my very own puzzle platformer about magnets. And I released an interactive video essay that's had over 100,000 plays. But wait, I hear you say, how do you do step 1? How do you learn the basics when the software is so complicated to figure out? Well, for me, it was about writing down a list of things I would need to know, regardless of what game I was.
Yes, install please, bro. Okay. How do you...
Og hvad siger du så?
Så når du kommer
fuld
her,
fart nu.
Så får du fuld fart, og så skal jeg lige have og gøre mappen.
Der er under dig. Der er under planken, du lige har sat, tror jeg. 100 der, ja.
Ja.
Ja, jeg har den her. Jeg har den nu.
Jeg skal lige have den der ting.
Hvad siger
har
du?
du? Kontrollerer du den selv?
Er den god her?
Ja, den er god her, men jeg skal jo have den der, jeg kan trække dig på.
Nå, har du ikke den?
Remote controller,
Jeg
nej.
kaster
Kan du
den til
kaste
dig.
noget? Ja.
Fuck, du står dårligt der.
Herop så. Herop.
Der er jeg, der. Jeg har dig. Værsgo.
Nøjelse. Jeg har den. Thank you.
Okay, vi er klar?
Damn.
Jamen,
There, it needs to be something like this, bro. What?
Men, hvordan?
den sprang bare.
Ja, det er jo
Alright,
sindssygt,
let's
at
write
jeg
that
bare
shit
vælger at
down.
springe sådan der, mand.
And while we
Okay,
do...
sidste forsøg.
Du tog livet af den, sgu da.
Jamen, jeg ved ikke, hvordan den bare lige pludselig
Then
springer på den måde. Den havde jo masser af liv, jo.
install
Okay, jeg tror
completed, let's
når vi
go.
kommer dertil, så skal vi helt stille og roligt.
Ja.
Og så over de der planker der.
Okay. Ja, vi er klar. Oh my goodness. Hvordan kan et spil give så meget hovedpine som den her?
Okay. Boom. And 3D.
Oh yeah.
Let me see.
Så heldigt. Det er så heldigt. Så der var i hvert fald fucking ubåd der. Det var det sgu på et sekund. Det kan professionelle. Det her scraps.
Vi har det. Har vi ikke nok?
Ja. Så.
Okay. Så er det nu, nice.
Kan du mærke det?
Ikke med det der, ja, jeg kan mærke det nu. Den er der nu.
Okay.
Kør lige hen, sætter den her bil her perfekt.
Ja.
Jamen, hvordan fuck kan den miste så meget liv der?
Now we're just waiting again, though. Now we're waiting again. But I want to make something like this. It needs to be a close
Vi står
fall,
fast.
so the
Og sådan der.
monsters just BAM! In your face. Out of nowhere. But, oh, there needs to be sounds. I'm writing all the shit down on my second screen, though.
Ja, vi skal have Rudiger. Vi skal have ren Rudiger her. Stille roligt. Ikke meget digtar her. Ikke meget digtar. Ikke meget digidy. Sådan der.
To me,
Fint.
there needs to be some sort of background music or a sound when the monsters get closer. That way it gets way more tension. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's check it. In your head, in your head. Damn, this is way slower than I thought it would be, man. That's crazy. That's crazy, fool. That's crazy, fool.
Sådan der. Nu er bilen også helt fit for fight.
Okay.
Fornøjelse.
I don't know if I want to share my game idea.
Jeg lægger planker som professionales.
Fornøjelse. Kan du lige kaste mig op på
I'm
bilen?
looking scared somebody won't steal the idea.
Hvor er du hen?
What the hell?
Er ned med dig?
Må du hen?
Jeg har røget ned. Jeg er på vej op igen.
Sådan der. Sådan. Okay, helt stille og roligt nu. Jeg tror ikke, vi skal bruge det der trækværk der.
Okay?
Okay, jeg skal have fuld navigation her.
Ja.
Hvad siger du?
Så først, så skal jeg lige lægge den her ordentligt. Sådan der. Okay. Så nu kører du lidt lige ud. Og så lidt mere. Lidt mere. Nej, ikke drej. Ikke begynd at dreje. Har jeg sagt drej din? Bak.
Den drejer selv, jo. Den drejer selv.
Nå, okay. Sense, tak.
Hvad siger du?
Kør lige ud. Så begynd at dreje nu. Ja, lige præcis. Begynd at dreje. Ja, lige præcis. Drej. Ja, stille og roligt nu. Drej.
Hvorfor tipper den? Hvad vej skal jeg dreje? Jamen
Din
det
højre.
er
Men den tipper nu. Så du skal give den. Nå, det er fordi den anden, den er jo kommet på jo endnu. Okay. Bak nu. Bak.
lige ud.
Nej. Sådan der, ja. Ja, bak. Sådan der, ja. Bak. Den der,
Ja.
som du gør, ja. Du skal tilbage.
Signal lost. Now.
This is it.
The project is currently...
Okay, den overlevede.
Der er liv. Hold ud.
Der er liv i den, ja. Bare følg vandet. Bare gå ned i vandet.
Følg vandet?
Følg strømmen. Ja, følg strømmen. Gå ned i vandet, følg strømmen.
Det er
It's
loading.
loading. It's loading. That's why I can't touch it. There we go. We have our project. Whoa. I haven't done shit yet, but I'm so excited. I hope I don't die halfway through. Alright. This is like a game.
Men måske er det her den rigtige vej.
Nej, muligt.
Okay. So I need to make the
Jeg kører.
basics, the complete basics.
Adios, amigos.
What do we do?
Der er stadig liv.
Ja.
Men den dør hurtigt her. Den er færdig. Den springer nu.
Okay. Det er fordi, der er ikke meget plads derhen lige så du træder på den der, ikke også? Den begynder at tilte. Jeg skal sætte dig fast.
Skal den hugges?
Ja, den skal hugges. Den skal hugges som den største hugger.
Just a second, chat. You know what? I'm gonna just leave Discord because I'm not talking in there anyway, so why put them in there? Okay. That was that. Boom. Now we need... Oh, it's loading as well. What the fuck, man? Okay. So, it says I need to install the required packages. Let me see where I install packages at all. There's a lot in here. Let me just read all these. Create an asset. C# script. Hey, I know C#. Maybe that'll help a bit. Maybe not. Okay. I'm really not NBA. Actually, let me see if anybody's playing. The Wolves and the Heat are playing. That's actually an interesting match. Warriors are playing at 4. Bro, we can't lose to the Jazz again. Damn. Oh, we won last time. It was the time before we lost. Alright. So we're good for now, I believe. See? Damn, this was... Oh my god, this was such a bummer. Oh, this one, sorry. Okay, so last time we cooked them and we had Curry pop off. Alright, they had Keontae George pop off. Ace Bailey! Alright, bro, we're getting sidetracked. Another one, a new one. Shit, man. Where was I? YouTube.
You'll need the Unity AI navigation package. You can do this by going to Window, then Package Manager.
Oh, that's the same as Visual Studios. What the hell? Alright, which packages do we need? So there we need netcode for game objects. Netcode for game. Huh. Alright, let's install that then. Let me check if you can hear my wife in the background. Because she's playing horror games too. Hello? Hello? You can hear my keyboard. Hello? You can hear my keyboard. Alright, that was some weird ass silence, but I had to check. So next we need Unity transport. Okay. Boom. I have this one. It's already installed. And the last one is input system. A new input system which can be used as more extensible and customizable and Unity input system. Okay. Alright then, we'll try it. Then we need to make a folders. So here, right? In the assets. Or I have to add. Wait, let me install this first. Alright. This is gonna be fun. This is the very beginning. The project using the new input system package, but the native platform backend for new Yes, I think. Let's do it. That's a sick ass background. Thank you. But yeah, then we need to make the folder structure so we have have everything in place. We need audio, I see, we need materials, we need scenes, we need prefabs, we need scripts, all under assets, which we have right here. So let me just check in my head. Yep. And it was Unity something transport. And the last one was netcode. Alright, we have all three now. Great. Now we'll create folders. So we have scenes. We need scripts. We have scenes. Oh. Now how do I grab this? Actually, mine is gonna be different, right? Scenes. I'll just name this pre-scenes because those were not mine, those were there before me. And then we'll do this. We need to create prefabs. We need to create, do we need to create audio? Scripts, prefabs, scenes, materials, and also audio, just in case. Damn, my is itchy, man, what the fuck? Alright, now let's start with the scripts because we need some folders in here as well. So we'll make, wait a minute, let me just, can I just copy and paste this? I need network, monsters, objectives and systems. Player, networking, monsters, systems, objectives. Boom. Let's go back to this. So that's the scripts. Oh, now I get it. Well, yeah, let's do it. Do I need these though? I don't know if I need these. Tutorial info. Rendering layers. The readme, I don't want that. And the default is empty. All right. Okay. Boom. Let's get that fuck out of here, man. Okay, so now we have the scripts. Let's go on and make this scenes folders. The scenes we actually don't need anything. What the? I only need the prefabs. I need 3 folders. Whoops. Player. Oh. Monsters. And objectives. Alright. Alright. So now we have our structure. Oh my god, I need to ask if I need this shit. Alright, let's find out where we are. Let me find it. There we go. Alright, next step. What to do? Okay. Deliverable. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So first, scripts. Player. And we need to create a C# script, which we will call player controller.cs. And I cannot change it. What? How do I? Do I have to open it in Visual Studios? Okay. Well. Unity netcode, Unity engine, required type of characters, control behavior, public class, player controller, network behavior, public float, walk speed, sprint speed, 4 floats, and sprint speed is 7 floats, so it's not double. That's great. Gravity, character controllers, vector, velocity, noise emitter, void, awake, controller get components, character controller, noise emitter get components, noise emitter. Okay, public override, void on network spawn. If owner enables is false, only local player controls movement. Yes. Move, void, move, float speed, input, get key, key left shift means sprint, nice. Float X, float Z, Z, X, G, 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 Y, no. Input, get axis, so X is horizontal and Z is vertical, yeah. But that's 2 dimensions. Oh, it's only front and back, right? Vector 3, move, transform right, X plus transform forward Z. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's right. Vertical, horizontal. Yeah, nice. Move plus speed plus time, delta time. Yep. Noise generation, move, magnitude. So for every inch, this emits noise. And speed equals sprint speed. So speed, sprinting makes double the noise or just more noise. Gravity, velocity y plus equals gravity plus time delta time. All right. Now, the thing is, I've saved this, but I don't know if it's saved in this one. It is perfect. Well. Perfect. So that's the first one. Now we need the scripts, systems, and we need to create the noise emitter. Noise emitter.cs. Let's open this one, and this one needs to be okay. So again, use the engine public class noise emitter mono behavior public float current noise level public float noise decay rate. Noise decay rate 2f 2 float. I don't understand this one. Void update current noise level equals math float max current noise level minus the decay rate is delta time times delta time. Public void emit noise float amount, which you have over here, and the amount 0% float plus the current noise level. I believe that is all, ladies and gentlemen, for that one. And it is updated. Nice. So we'll okay. Yeah. So yeah, we scripts. We need the monsters to be AI. So we are going to monster AI monster. Best legendary banana. Hvordan går det? Har du det godt? Hvorfor er du op så sent? Det er sgu det weekend. Monster AI. Let's open den. Boom. Skift den ud. Så Unity Engine, Unity Netcode. Who's testing? What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Monsters AI network behavior. Yep. Their movement speed is 1 slower. The detection radius is 10 feet. Is that enough? I don't know, we'll have to test. Private transform target. Alright. So avoid update if the server return. Yep. Find loudest player. If target is null, move towards target. Perfect. Find loudest void. Find loudest player. Noise emitter emits. Find objects of type noise emitter. Float loudest noise equals 0. Float target equals no. Okay, so if there isn't any loudest noise, it's just no. But for each emitter in emitters, float distance, vector distance, blah blah blah. If distance is more than detection radius, just continue. Okay, so they won't just be fucking cheating. Okay, if emitter.current noise level is louder than the loudest noise, then we'll transform towards the target. Alright. Move towards target. Vector 3 direction. Vector 3. Okay. Towards target's position minus the transformer's position normalized. Alright. Alright. Update. And it's good. So the monsters will have a presence and a bit of pressure now. Alright. So I still don't know how to make the graphics for the monsters. Well, we'll find out. Then we have the co-op. Objectives. We'll make a C# folder for objective. Yes, bro. You no sleep? Boom. Yes, bro. So using unit.net code, using unit engine, public class objective terminal network behavior requires the whole time for 5 floats. 5. Network variable float progress net float 0f update in progress that value is more than the required hold time, is equal or more than the required hold time, then the objective is completed. Yes. Debug log objective complete. Nice. Public void interact if the server returns progress plus value equals to time. Nice. Update Unity. Ding ding. Oh my god, why did I do that? Okay, so this is just for a single player to make one interaction and progress with one interaction. We'll need 2-player interaction as well. We'll get to that point. Oh, I need to write this down. If interaction ideas objectives, if several players interact, progress is louder but quicker, or just one of the, or just quicker maybe. Yep. Boom, backlap. Something. Alright, so the ideas are written down. And what more interaction ideas do we have? Add interruptions. Maybe some items help with noise emitting or quicker Progress. Secret items laid around the map. Oh, that would be crazy. Okay. Oh, yo, one more. Some interactions may need multiple players to be completed. But that would mean you can't play the game solo, or there should be a multiplayer mode where this is only available. Ah, exciting. I need to write this shit down. Multiplayer. Maybe a single player mode and a multiplayer mode. So double person interactions are only available in multiplayer mode. This is genius. Okay. I wonder how I add fog though. Okay, we'll get to that. So let's set up the scene. So scenes. Okay. All right. So first we have to create this is the project, right? Yeah. Okay, create, and we need to create a scene. Should I use a template though? No? Nah, probably not. Okay. Just a prototype scene. Oh. You want to change the main assembly? Yes. Okay. Okay. Huh. How do I do this? Okay. I look, you wonder how I do this. need to right click and create game objects. Do we have one of those in here, bruh? Huh. But I think this should be in prefabs, player prefabs, boom. And then in scenes, it should be deleted. Because why the fuck is that in there? Let's delete the sample scene. And let's delete the pre-scenes. Because we have our own scene. That's the most important one. So we'll refab player. Boom. This is the player. Wow, he looks so good, man. And we need to okay. Okay. When the Unity is open, you always see hierarchy on the left side. Oh, here, bro. Let me delete this one real quick. So that means in the scene, there's a hierarchy. Okay, now I understand this here, bruh. When this is what exists in the scene right now. Think of it like the layer list in Photoshop. Right, that makes sense. YouTube demonetizer, go suck a dick. No, go suck 3 dicks, as a matter of fact. So the seed, okay, the seed view is in the middle. Yes, we know that. Inspector is on the right. Show settings of whatever you clicked. Oh, yes, I see. And my project is at the bottom. Okay. Root. If it's visible in the world, it's hierarchy. If it's a file, it's in the project. Okay. Yep. Step 1, create and open the scene. Create a scene file. Look at the projects. Boom, boom, boom. We already did that. Boom. Yes. Right click inside the folder and create a scene, prototype scene. Yeah. Yes, we did that too. Double click prototype scene. You should now see the scene name at the top, a grid floor on the view. Yes, bro. All right. I'm counting down with you, bro. No, as a matter of fact, let's count down together. Count down from 30 sec. Oh, 30. Are you ready? All right. You have 30 seconds to show me you're not a bitch. I'll wait here. Damn, half your time is gone. You have to hurry up, bro. Or you have to go suck a dick. And that's what I thought. Damn, that was an asshole sound. Now, thank you for the view and comments. You may keep commenting. So, where were we? Alright. I see the scene, I see the grid flow, I see the scene view. This is the scene view. Nice. You need 3 more. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the comment. Thank you for the comment. You need 1 more, bro. You're missing an hour. Go or something. Ah! Thank you. Have a great day. Scene 5. Yes. So look at the project window. We did this. So step 1, we need to create the player inside of the scene. Oh, so we go to the hierarchy, click on an empty place, and then we create an empty object. Oh. In the top of inspector, we can rename it. Or should we rename just player, right? Yeah, we'll just rename it player. So we need to add components to the player. Oh, character controller, for example, which I added before on the wrong place. And then click add component, and then we add network object. Yep. And then we add player controller. Bam. And as a last one, we going to add the noise emitter we made. Oh, these are the ones we made. I'm stupid. Ah, that's sick though. Alright, but that's there, but there's no physical layer. Like there's a sun. Alright, we did. Okay. We now see 4 components. All of these speeds and noise levels are the ones we made, so we actually don't need to make anything here. The character controller we did not touch, but I'll leave it as it is. So add camera to player. Right click in hierarchy, click camera. Right click in hierarchy, click camera. Oh, this get lit though. Okay, select the camera. In the yep, are we in the camera? Yeah, we are. In the inspector, we need to transform. In the inspector, the transform tab. So position X should be 0. Position Y should be 1.6, and position Z should be 0. It's the center of the universe. This is the player's eyes. Oh, it's the first person. Look, huh? I'm not a crypto. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Actually, I think we'll do this for this. So I'm looking at the camera instead of away from it all the time. And you see my big ass nose. Dang. So save player as a prefab, and this is very important. So in the project window, open prefabs, and in player, and then we drag the player into the folder. Oh, that was lit. Okay, so we just made a player prefab. Nice. Now we delete the player from the hierarchy, and we'll spawn it later with network manager. Okay, nice. Good to know. And I think we'll make all the visuals later. Let's focus on this one first. So we need to create a monster, and it's in hierarchy and a 3D object and cube. Oh, we'll name this monster. Monstero. Nice. So we have to add components to this one as well. It has some already. Alright, so we need to add the component network object, and the one we made for monster AI. Yes sir, very nice, very good. And we need to scale it. So in the inspector, in the transform, scale 1.5, scale 2, and scale 1.5. So it's bigger than us. It's half the height, no, half the width, half the length, and double the height. That's a big ass monster though. Whoa. Alright, nice. So we need to save this as a prefab, but it's gonna be in the monsters prefab. So same deal. Oh, we see the cube, nice. And then we delete it from the scene. Yes, we do. Nice. It's a good start. What's up, Jonas Bear? How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. We're just, or I'm making my own game and I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah, great. All right, so step 3, we need to create the objective. So again, we create what do we create? We create a 3D object. We create a cube, and we rename this cube objective terminal. This is where the objective needs to be done. Oh, I need this prefab for later because I need 3 to 5 objectives per map, and I'm only gonna have one map, but don't matter. So objective terminal, boom. We need to add network object and objective terminal, which we made exactly for this one. Required hold time 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's way too short though. We'll change that later. Let me see where I wrote the objectives. May need to be longer than 5 seconds depending on the map size. Alright, it's written down, and then we save this objective as objective, and then we delete it. You can leave one copy in the scene. Alright, we'll just do that then. So step 4, the network manager. So in the hierarchy, right click, create an empty, rename it network manager, and then we need to add components to this one, and we are adding network manager. Whoa, that was a lot. As well as Unity transport. All right, what do these do? I don't know, so I can't explain that shit, but I know we're probably gonna need it. So we need to assign prefabs to the network manager. So in the inspector, we need to find the network manager, which is this one, and we need to select networks manager. Boom. Select networks manager in inspector, find network, find player prefab. There it is. Drag player prefab into that spot. Okay. Nope, we need to go. Player prefab. Nice. Oh. Okay, step 4, a floor so we don't fall, which is pretty important actually. So, hierarchy. Right click. Bam. And then 3D object and plane. So we'll scale this to 5 and 5 and no 5 and 1 and 5. So this is the current map size, which is great. Not big, not small. All right. So we got the freaking floor. Okay, so save the scene. Control, save. Oh, it changed, so I know it's saved. Confirm it's saved to asset, scenes, prototype, scene.unity. How the fuck am I supposed to do this shit, bro? How? Okay, so test it. Press play. What the fuck do we press play? Oh, yeah. Add scenes to in builder. The current scene was not found in the scenes in builder. A network manager instance was not found with the instance builder. Client will not be able to. Would you like? I don't know. Hello, I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay. This pop-up is correct, expected, and important, especially since you're using netcode for game objects. The pop-up is telling you that the scene is not in the build list because you're using network manager. Okay, scenes must be registered, otherwise clients will fail to join or see anything. Press yes, and it will build the scene in the file. Ensure that and yes, if you press no, will suddenly foil it. Okay, we press yes because we want the multiplayer and no photo problems. So I can't see anything. Start hosting. Where do I press start host? Huh? Okay. Okay, the fix, do exactly as I do to told you. In hierarchy, click network manager, yes. Add components, yes. Search for HUT network manager HUT. Add it, let's play again. I don't have a network manager HUT. So go to the project window, open assets, scripts, networking. Right click, create a C# script. We'll call it auto start host. Yes. We're not done though. In this, we'll copy and switch. Void when start singleton is NN singleton server manager. Boom. Saver. Yes. That's for this. Okay, now in hierarchy, network manager. In inspector, click add components as we did before. And now we add auto start host, right? Add it. Yep. Yeah. In hierarchy, delete main camera. Yes. Okay, we only want the player camera. Now, press play. Okay. Then the place spawned at 0. You're making a game first time, boy. What you trying to make? I'm Mahito. I'm making a horror like Lethal Company with my twist on it. So you are outside in a very foggy forest, and there is these relay towers you have to fix. But when you move, you make sound. There's proximity chat, and the relay towers have different types of fixes. If you try to fix, it will make big sound. It will make monsters come towards you. Fuck it. It's all or nothing. Big project for the first time, eh? Yeah, exactly. It's all of nothing, bro. We don't do half-ass shit in here. I either fail miserably or I will half succeed. No half. I will make the monsters come on every player's faces. I don't know about that one. Yeah, I don't know if that's legal. I will never get cancelled. I am the cancel. Ooh. Yo, what? 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 All right. So, if you still see nothing, it usually means the player spawned at 000 inside the ground. Quick fix. Let's fix this. Prefab player. We need to make him spawn at 0, 1, 0. Let me change to the right. Boom, let's try again. This does not work. Huh. Okay, check console. To generate a commit empty, only yellow one. If you generator, copy the exact text and send it to me. Do not continue until you tell me. Okay, so nothing fundamental is broken. Hallo Jawad, du skal se min Minecraft horror game, jeg har lavet på et tidspunkt. Of course! Sorry, I didn't read your chat. Hi Theodore, how are you doing? Maheno, I very much want to see your Minecraft horror game at some point. When I finish with my game. Nej, det her spil, det bliver fucking sindssygt. Hvis jeg nogensinde bliver færdig med det dog. Bare det. Okay. Why is the screen empty? The real cause. The key error is this. No transport has been selected. Okay. Plain English or explanation. You told me to start hosting, but I don't know how to send network data. So we can spawn, but we cannot show where to be spawned at. So, yes, this is the key error. How do we do this? Start play mode. Alright. Click the network manager in the hierarchy. Done. Okay, step B. Assign Unity transport, and this is the most critical step. Yes. Click the drop down next to network transport. Where is the network transport? Network transport. Network transport. Oh shit, we did not assign this, bro. Click the drop down next to network transport. Boom. And select Unity. Network transport. Select the transport. Oh, well, this makes more sense now. I found it. Okay, I should mute this. I'm getting way too distracted. I'm muted for 3 hours. Bro, we had to watch this real quick. Oh my days, bro. Oh shit! That's class. Oh! Damn! Oh shit! What? That was crazy, bro. Oh, that shit funny. Damn. W raid. Alright. Now I got distracted again. I'm watching live streams, watching what people are doing. And now I leaving live stream. And now I will making a my okay. Okay. Yep. Very good information. Okay. Yes. Wait, I need to ask chat. Alright, I asked chat, guys. 2 seconds, bro. Have some tålmodighet. Aha! Oof! Damn, chat! Oh, look at these guns! These small ass guns! Urgh. Damn, chat. Let's do some push-ups. That was not push-up. That was fake. Alright. Let me just fill out these applications. And we should be too good to go. Dang it. Oh, I really want to be sponsored by Too Good To Go. That would be lit, chat. I love Too Good To Go, bruh. And they help save wasted food, which is even better. Which is great, bro. Hey. Okay, chat, save me. the chat is going crazy. He's a fan. Chat. Dang. Okay. Okay. Oh, oh. Okay, okay. Let's continue with the game. I apologize, chat. So, bro, saw your happy guest kissing video, lol. Oh no, Julie. No, 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 no. That was cringe. But I'm happy you saw my video. That makes me happy. But that video was cringe as shit. I didn't mean to kiss the happy guests. So, let's finish this. Okay. You're having for your understanding. Okay, okay. Unity transport exists. Boom. We did this one. Step B. We added the Unity transport. Wait, it is. What? Here. Man, I'm fine. Unity transport. Boom. Now, still on Networks Manager, confirm Unity transport exists below. It does. Network transport field. Network transport field. Network transport field is Unity transport. Yes. Player prefab is assigned. Yup. If any of these are missing, netcode will fail. Okay, let's try again. Step D. Press play. Wait. Expected results. The errors will disappear. Yes. You can play as spawns and you can move and the ground is visible. Yo, that didn't happen. Fuck. Damn, man, why is it not working? Okay, what do we do here? All right. Dang it. What do we do? What you have is a pure scene, camera, spawn issue, not netcode issue. Okay. So screen is still empty means that the errors are gone. The host starts. The problem is either the player is spawning inside the ground. Camera is pointing away from everything, but it shouldn't be. It's in the middle. Camera is not rendering anything, or player spawned but far away. Alright, let's take them one by one. So press play, look left. Do you see player clone? Yes. Tell yourself if you don't need to, okay. If no, stop. If yes, continue. Okay, so the player clone is not the issue. Damn, the player is moving fast as shit though. Oh, it is moving when I'm moving, but I cannot see it moving. Oh, now I know the noise decay rate. When I move, it starts at max and then it dims down slowly. Oh, that's actually insanely smart. Okay. Step 2. Force player to a safe position. While still in play mode, click the player clone. In the inspector, transform the position to 0. Oh, I can see he's endlessly falling. So maybe it's because he spawns inside the ground. Nothing happens. What the hell? Nothing happens, bro. So I think I'll go into prefabs, into player, and I'll force him on the second layer. And then we'll just see if it works. I think it is a spawn issue because I keep falling through the ground. Player clone. Yeah, he keeps falling. I think it's a ground issue. Okay, expand player clone. How though? Click the camera child. So in the X camera child. Okay, Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's find out what the problem is. So my player has no camera. The screen looks empty. The wrong unit is using the scene camera instead. This means the camera child was never saved into the player prefab, and the player is always falling forever. You're using character controller, but there's no ground check. Gravity is applied every frame. Result keeps going minus. Yes, it keeps just going in minus. We need to get the motherfucker change, cuz. Fix both issues. Do this exactamente. Press play. So it turns gray. It is gray. Go into the player prefab. Boom. Assets prefab player. Assets prefab player. Perfect. Double click the player. Oh, this is new. Yes. Unity will enter prefab mode. You will see a blue background and breadcrumb at the top. Yep, I do that. Yep. And breadcrumb at the top. What the fuck is the breadcrumb? Is this the breadcrumb? Yep. Okay, yeah. Add a camera to the player prefab. Inside the prefab mode, right click player. Boom. Click camera. In the inspector, transform positionals 0 1.0 6 0 yes, rotation 0 and scale on 1. Perfect. You should now see player camera. I do. Save the prefab. Holy shit. Save the prefab. I think it's saved. Are you saved? Yeah, I think it's saved. Just click back to the scene tab. Alright. Infinite falling. It is critical. We need to get this fixed. Yes, it is. Your current player controller applies gravity without checking if you are grounded. Replace your player controller.cs with this. Okay. So assets, script, player, then player controller with this. Press Ctrl S, save it. Let's go back here. Check. All right. In the hierarchy, delete camera. Only keep the player camera. All right. Make sure floor exists. It is. We'll make it wider. Then we are sure it exists. It is 10 by 10 and the position Y should be 0. Now it's black. What the fuck? Always. No offense to the blacks. The black floors, I mean. Ah, fuck, that's not wrong. The floor was white, it turned black. Done. Okay, player prefab, spawn height. Okay, so we go prefabs, player prefabs. The spawn height is 1. Yeah, it should be no, it's 2. So transform position to 1. Damn, man, my eye was itching as fuck all of a sudden. Perfect. So final test. Press play. Let's save this. Go back, save this. Press play. Come on. No, I went through the floor. I saw the floor and I went through it. So what if we spawn at like 4, you know, just to see. Will I fall through again? Yeah, that doesn't look like when it's supposed to. 2 maybe? Nah, I'm just falling through the floor now. 3. Hey! Hey! Oh, I'm not falling through the floor. But I don't think I'm moving maybe. With the camera child. Let me see if I can go to the edge and fall down. Yes! That's a win, man. Now let's see if we can make the plane. Why the fuck is it positioned like that? Oh no, that's wrong. It was this one I needed to change. Now let's see if I still go through the floor. I do not. Let's go. Nah, nice. That's progress. Not a lot, but that's freaking progress, bro. See the world, stand on the ground, move with wasp. Okay, seeing the world I cannot do, but I can. No. See player with the camera chart. Yes. Oh, I don't know if I'm faster with shift. Yes, sir. I can see and I can move now, but I can't see. Can't look around. It's just straight ahead. Okay. Now we need to add looking around. I think that's the next step, to be honest. Okay, rotate the camera up, down, rotate the player left or right, look the mouse cursor to the screen. This is standard FPS behavior. Yes, exactly what we need. So let's stop the game. Let's go to Scriptus and let's go to player and let's right click and create a new C# and we'll call this mouse Luca. Very good, very nice. Boom. So let's open you up, brother. Add mouse look. Sensitivity is 100 floats. Damn, is that not way higher than it should be? Okay, it's only enable false, return cursor lock state, cursor lock mode, lock cursor visible, false, yes. Void update, mouse X or Y gange times the sensitivity of the mouse, rotation, transform it to mouse X. Perfect. 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 Alright, attach it correctly, very important. Stop the play, go into the project window, go into assets, prefab, player, double click on player. In the hierarchy, look at the camera, click on camera, add this in the inspector, which is this one, add component, mouse look. Mouse sensitivity is 100. We can change this manually. Let's check it first. Assign player a body. Still on the camera, mouse look component, find player body. Still on the camera, mouse look component, find player body. Drag the player top object into that slot. Okay. All right. Into that slot. If you skip this, if you skip this, left right turning will not work. Save prefab. Remove the scene camera. In the scene, I can make sure no standalone camera is there. It is not. Only inside the player clone. Yes. Then test it. Oh, I can look around. The fuck? Oh, that's the monster. What? Oh, whoa, the mouse is weird though. What the fuck? Oh no, at the edge of the screen it extends. Maybe the FOV is fucked up. Huh. Or it, of course, this is not the game. Maybe it's, let me just try with my normal 800. Whoa, this is slow as shit though. Okay. We need to change this a bit, bro. This is way too slow. This needs to be like 150, not gonna lie. Alright. Well, for now, this seems about right. It's a bit slow, but actually, let me try 250. I don't feel a difference. Well, for now, we'll keep it at 120 because with my other mouse, which has higher DPI, it's actually completely fine. So, boom. Damn, that was sick. That was oh my god, that's sick. We have now achieved network spawning, first person movement, gravity plus ground, mouse lock, correct camera setup. So, what do we want to add next? Oh, this is so exciting. Holy shit. Okay, so bam. So actually, my ass hurts, bro. I've been sitting for way too long. You know what that means? Let's do some triceps dippers. And let me use a chair that's stationary. And let me put it inside this. Huh? Can you watch me? Oh my god. Let me just see if I'm doing this right though. Oh damn. This is tough. I can already feel it. I'm sliding away. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my days, my triceps are burning. Not only from this, I've done other stuff as well. Bro, but that was enough. Let's do some push-ups as well. My booty hurting from all the sitting down. We can't just be sitting down all day. I'm getting mad electricity from the mic. Bro, if the stream cannot hear me, I'm gonna flip. Let me check if the stream can hear me. Who? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? What's up, chat? Okay, the stream can hear me. I just had to make sure though. I just had to make sure for real. Hey, what's up, cat? Let's do some push-ups. Did I take my headset off? Nah, I'm good. How's the view over here? It's fine. Alright. Let's do the best push-ups that I can do. How many? I don't know. 1, 2. Oh my god, my head is funny. And it's taking my glasses with it. So we'll take these off for now. We'll come back on later. Right after this segment. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go, chat. Now my booty's not sore anymore. But now I'm thirsty though. Damn, there's no water left. I'll go get something to drink. And I'll be right back. So, give me a second, Chatterino. And I'll be right back. Look back at it. When you wanna know what you go at it. Going out? Get the fuck out. Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch. Hello, Chatterjipateo. Why the fuck am I flexing? I don't know, chat, but I am, so deal with it. My glazes are all mixed up. Damn, Chad. Let's take a good short break. I'm getting tired in this beach. Not from the game though, just from the fucking time.
Nothing.
Yeah, completely.
Like I just felt like either I have to, because everyone else that joined got a contract and this and this and this, and I'm like, I'm trying to get a meeting with like just about anyone. I've been here for 12 years. I have nothing.
Yeah.
And then part of it also felt like people would talk to me like I'm an owner and like I'm a part of it and stuff.
Weird,
but I wasn't.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't have any, like, it was just awkward for me, bro. Like, I remember like going to like a CS event, and I'm not gonna say the org, but like I'm sitting down with like a CEO, like the top dogs in like one of the biggest orgs in the world. It's the day before the major in 2022, grand final in Belgium. And they were asking me like, yeah, so what's your position in FaZe? And I'm like, well, I'm just here. Like, I'm just here because I want to be here. Like, I have not, like, I couldn't even tell you because I have nothing to show for it. I'm like 12.
Damn, that's it.
Don't touch the car, will ya? You should be in school. Scram.
How much is this one?
$3,500. You happy? Now beat it.
I presume you'd consider lowering the price if I paid you in cash. The money's legitimate, gentlemen.
Kid might have murdered his parents, but to Mickey, a sale's a sale. Will you both shut up? You got 5 minutes to explain before I call the cops, kid.
Is there a problem, George?
Have a seat, Mrs. Devereaux.
Well, how much is the car we want?
It's $3,500, ma'am.
Give it to the nice man, George.
That's not how you do it.
Your son means that you offer me less than that, and then we bargain.
All right. $1,000. What?
It's a little low, Mom.
I can let you have it for 33, Mrs. Devereaux, but that's as low as I can go.
2,700.
32.75.
29.50, Fred, or we're out of here faster than a cat in a rainstorm.
Nice car.
The only reason why I'm giving in is because I know that we'll be back here in a week.
Goodbye, Bernice. I'll miss you. Any parting words of advice for us?
Yeah. Take the parking brake off.
Don't touch the car, will ya?
I couldn't stop thrifting until I found a pair of Jordan 4s. I might actually be here all day. First store I checked baited me crazy. I thought I found Toro Bravo 4s. But no, instead I found the Happy Bull 4.5s. Why do these exist? I got pissed and switched stores, which might have actually made things worse. Because technically I did find a pair of Jordan 4s. They were just not real and so disgusting they should be considered a biohazard. Not to mention, even if they were real, look at these prices. I wouldn't want them anyways. $250. After making sure there wasn't anything else here, I switched stores once again, where I did find something that was pretty cool. These are the Nike Zoom Phenoms from 2008, which were actually in really good shape. But are those Jordan 4s? No. So we're moving on to another store. This time was different though. I found a restock cart. I started going through it expeditiously before the worker came back. It wasn't really anything though, so I went to the other sneaker section. And just when I thought I was gonna have to go to another store, I found a pair of Jordan 4s in a 4C, but who cares? I couldn't stop thrifting until I found a
I've never watched videos like this. What?
Kom ind til mig, Mille.
Fuck, han skader. Oh, what the go? Who's this go, bruh?
Kom ned til...
Yeah, we are watching our shit.
Det går du bare ikke. Ikke den her gang.
Ooh, that was clean though.
Gør det.
Nigeria.
Fuck, my god.
Blue boost.
Og hvor du is.
Og så jeg skal bare grines af fucking mit gameplay.
Bro.
Ooh, that motherfucker, that motherfucker clean with it.
bro.
Det går du bare ikke.
Ja, he was clean with it.
Kom ind til mig, Mille.
Fuck, han skader.
Du ved det. Kom ned til mig, stykke op en hej til. Kom. Shit. Ja, tak.
Kan du se, jeg wanker?
Ja, det må jeg. Kom ind til mig, Mille.
Fuck, han skader.
Oh my god.
Kom ind til folk.
Det ved jeg ikke der. WWE.
What a snipe, what a snipe, bruh.
Oh my god.
Kom ind til folk.
What a freaking snipe, bruh.
Alright, I'm tweaking.
Knock him.
If you haven't been on my channel, go to my TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and like the videos and watch the videos.
Knock him.
Nice. Oh, säg det där! Oh shit.
What the
It's a tier på. Oh, nej, OIS.
Oh shit!
Damn, why the fuck did I die here?
Kobbel, er du det dybeste slæb?
Jeg er oven på græs.
Det er oven på græs.
Han er oven på dig, mand.
Two of my auto attacks got cancelled there, bruh. That's bullshit.
Alright, buddy.
Alright.
Nu er vi bare blevet der Benjamin Bajams. Fucking
Benjamin Jams.
Fucking Benjamin Benjamin Sham.
For satan!
Og så kampen, jeg kan godt hente dig på vej.
I've seen these two. So loud, bro. What the? Oh, not the happy gas video. So loud, bro. What? This shit did well though, didn't it? What up, fam? 7K views. What the fuck? I'm fist bumping. What's good? Wow. That's actually insane. So loud. That's whoa. That's really insane. What?
Bunch of
I think that's my most viewed on my channel. Wow. I need to tell my wife. I have to share my accomplishments with my wife. Oh, hell nah, bro. Let me check. Oh my god, some of my leak clips are popping off on Instagram. What the fuck? Not the happy gas one though. It's kind of weird. Whoa, what? I can't see which one is the most viewed or what. 5.4k and 5k, that's insane, guys. Thank you for the views, bro. 5k views is fucking, yeah. I don't know what to say. You can pay 4,100 Danish crowns a month to be member on Meta to get the blue check. That's fucking insane, bro. That is literally brain deadness. I'm not gonna lie. Huh. Alright, ready? All right. So where we at? What's the plan, chat? Well, continuing with the games in just a short while. The thing is, chat. Actually, there are no things. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let me see if my TikTok popped off in any way like the others. I don't think so, though. I don't think so. Nah. My max view TikTok is 1500 views. YouTube is 7K and Instagram is like 5.5. Or is it? Let me just check. Let me just double check Instagram. Because I only checked the last 30 days. So maybe if we lucky, there's more to it that meets the eye. And no, it is my most viewed. Whoa. What? Things have been looking up lately. Damn, that's crazy, bro. $155K views in total from all time on Instagram. My TikTok is, let me see, can I see the all-time metric? All time 108K. Damn. TikTok fell off, bruh. How? TikTok used to be the best place, bro, but not anymore, apparently. Or at least for views, not the best place. Let's see if I can find one of my oldest TikToks and see how many views they got. 600, 700, 800. I used to average 1,000 views, and then all of a sudden they just nerfed it to like 300, 400. A couple of 50 bombs, a couple of 1,000 bombs, but it's around 400 to 900 each. And then yeah, a couple of 50 bombs here and there. I'm not complaining, bro. 50 freaking views is still 50 views. And now I'm in 200 to 500 on every video. I think they're nerfing me, man. Well, at some point I'ma get better, so trust the process, bro. Trust the process. I just watched some heinous shit, some basketball. Alright, let me check the YouTubes. I can't get that much. How much more do you think it is, though? Damn, 230K? That's crazy. Bro, what? Everybody go follow all my socials. They're right here on the screen. Can you see them? I can't zoom in. I can't zoom in. Go follow my socials, guys. Go follow my socials. Everybody go follow my socials. Go follow my socials everywhere. Not just where you watch this video, but everywhere. Go follow the socials. W plug. I wish I had the same username everywhere. I'd be like Norzai underscore on every platform. That'd be sick though, but unfortunately that's not the reality yet. My cousin has Norzai. Son of a gun. Samarakam. Yeah. Let's continue with the game. So now let's make the monster chasers. So we go into assets, we go into scripts, we go into monsters, and we open monster AI. Si, señorita. And we do this, replace this, save. and then we make sure it's updated. Then we go to the assets, prefabs, monsters, and drop the monster into the hierarchy. Bam. Place it somewhere visible. Yeah, let's place it. What? Okay, I can. Yeah, I'll place it over here. Yeah. All right. Yep. And then position it somewhere visible. We did that shit. Press play. What you should see: monsters wander slowly. Sprint. Monsters react faster. Standing still. Monster loses you. If this works, part 1 is complete. Let's try. Oh my god. Oh, that's scary because it hurt me. And when I don't do anything, it just wanders by itself. But if I run and I'm inside a radius, it will follow me. And I need to sprint out of the radius. And I'm way faster than the monster though. So here it doesn't react to me. But here it does. And then it'll just blame me. But why the fuck is the relay tower moving though? What the fuck? What the fuck? Or is that another monster that I forgot about? That's the objective terminal. What the fuck? Okay, let's fix that because why the fuck? This is not supposed to move. No, we don't want that. We want it to be a solid. We want it to be interactable. So Unity has some kind of movement gravity thing or physics that when we touch it, it automatically moves. Let me just test that theory. That shit moves on its own, bruh. Alright. Okay. Click on objective terminal. Check for rigid body. Rigid body. What the fuck? I cannot see it. Option A, recommended for beginners, remove rigid body. On the rigid body components, click the 3 dots. Transform, cube, mesh, box collider, and then remove component. Is box collider rigid body? Box collider defines the shape of the objects for collision. But in its physical body, which of the instrument has on the screenshot knows the body. Okay. So one of these was true. It had river before, never moved. Oh. What the fuck? Okay, this is weird. Okay, objective terminal moves when the monster hits me. That's weird as fuck though, I'm not gonna cap. But even though objective terminal has no rigid body, it can still move indirectly because your player uses character controller. Your monster uses transform movement. Unit resolves collisions by separating objects. When monster pushes player, player collision resolves pushes other colliders nearby. Okay. Correct fix. Industry standard. Is there not industry standard? No. So mark them as static. Do this. Select objective terminal hierarchy. Top right of inspector. Check static. Boom. What got added? Light mapping. Okay. Unity may ask what kind. Choose all. Did Unity ask what kind? No. But everything is already checked marked, so I assume that's choose all. So this tells Unity that this object is a part of the world. Do not resolve physics by moving it. Yes. Why this works? Unity will now push player and monster away. The terminal becomes an immovable anchor. This is the correct way to mark environment objects. Extra safety. Optional, but good. Box collider is triggered off. Noise body, yeah, we come from that. Is it to sprinting and walking at the same noise? Yes, right now the system does not actually accumulate different noises. Let's look at the real cause. Why noise is currently wrong is because the emitter is emit noise speed equals sprint speed 2f to 1f. Yeah. This runs every frame. Noise emitter climbs at 10. Decay is only 2 per second, so both walking and sprinting hits max noise instantly. Stay at 10. So the system works mathematically, but design wise is useless. Yes, good catch. We'll fix this in 2 small changes. Step 1, noise emitter CS. Where the fuck did we have this one though? So we had it in scripts, but where the fuck was it? Noise emitter, yeah. Yo! Okay, Step 2. Noise is now rate based, not frame based. Ah, nice. Step 2. Fix player controller CS. Player controller. So yes. Panic sprint monster lights on. Nice. Nice. That's gonna be so fun. For quick test check. Play, walk slow, monster race later. Sprint, monster race much faster. Get hit in the terminal does not move. Okay. Let's test these small changes. Damn, making a game is not as easy as I thought. This shit takes a lot of time. So. And then if I run away, oh nice. So let me check the terminal. Boom, it does not move. Let me check here. This bum ass bitch still moves, man. Okay. Okay, so this is flying in the air. I'm flying in the air, but the monster falls to the ground. What is happening? The objective is floating. Objective is the move. Monster player collide. Monster immediately falls to. The root cause for the floating. Character controller does not use physics. It resolves overlaps by pushing other colliders away. Okay. If an object is not static and it's not firmly grounded, Unity may resolve overlapping by nudging it. Oh, background floating, not marked static is at prefab level. Fix 1. Snap objective terminal to the ground. Mandatory. Yes. Stop play mode. It is. Select objective terminal in the hierarchy. Inspector. Transform. Position. Y to Y to Y 0.5. Yes. Yes, sir. A cube is 1 unit tall, so 0.5 sits exactly on the plane. That looks visually true. That looks visually very true, I'm not gonna lie. So yes, it does. No gaps. Fix 2, mark it as static. It is already static. I determine the top right of static. When you ask what kind, choose all static. So I just choose all, and now I've chosen everything. Apply to the prefab. This is part people miss. With objective terminal selected at the top of the inspector, click overrides. Overrides. Click apply all. Apply all. The next time the objective is spawned, it will move. The minute the objective is spawned, it will move. Okay, so if I skip the step, it will move. Now it won't move. Fix 4 collider settings. Still on objective terminal. Box collider is triggered off. No rigid body in rest. Static check by still on. This is not correct. Wide moving will hit. Monster pushes player character controller, overlaps with objective control. Objective terminal. Alright. Quick verification test. Let's check that. Okay. Huh. Let me try the game one more time. Let's see if this works. It didn't. Damn, bro. How the fuck is this possible, man? This shit is way harder than it's supposed to be, man. Game development is a beach. I'm not gonna care. I'm not gonna care with you. Well, stream, I think I'll save this and call it a day. That's game development is fun, but it's a bitch. But I'll see you tomorrow, which is today because it's after midnight. But